Hey Don, it's Viola here. How are you doing? I wanted to quickly go through your web presence here and then talk about a couple of your competitors and then see how any of this could possibly help you. Hopefully, you could put it to use. Now, I noticed that I couldn't find a website for you, so let's go over how this would impact your web presence tremendously, right? I noticed you have all of these different uh, doc directories that your business is listed in. But let's go ahead and take a look at this, right? So when somebody goes to Google and they type in roof repair Lawrenceville, Georgia, see that right here? The first thing we see are the Google guaranteed ads or paid ads, right? Where people are paying to be listed, more sponsored paid ads here. But this section right here is what we call the map pack. And these top three businesses are getting the bulk of the calls that are coming in for this particular search. So the strategy to win here is to find out exactly how many citations does the top competitor have, and all a citation is simply your business listing, right? A directory basically where your business is listed in your business name, address, and phone number are listed through different directories. Basically what you got here, right? But find out how many they have. So if they have 150, then you want to get at least 250 so you know you're outranking them every single month for this particular area, right? Because you and I both know if we click on this right here, we're going to find about 10 other pages of businesses that are doing the same thing that you're doing in the same area. So, and nobody goes past page one for anything. So it's best to figure out how to get to the top, and that's it. Now, I don't care about Angie's List. I don't care about Yelp. But this company right here looks like a reputable business in the area that's doing the same thing that you're doing. Oops, didn't mean to do that. So I pulled their business up here, and as you can see, their website is very simple. It's not a whole lot to look at. It's not amazing. It's very straight to the point. A few things I want to point out: definitely have a clickable call to action. Put your phone number close to the top because 99% of the people that are going to land on your website will be using their mobile phone. So you want to make it pretty easy for them to be able to reach out to someone. The other thing is you want to make it pretty clear what it is that you do, because although this doesn't look amazing, the information on it is what's making them rank, right? So Google has crawlers and they're crawling the websites because they're looking for two things. They're looking for what services you offer and what areas do you offer those services. So as you can see, we get on this website and it's very plain and simple. They are roofers in Lawrenceville, Georgia, right? And that's what Google likes to see. And imagine if you have that on your website a bunch of times, you see roof near Lawrenceville, Georgia. If you implement this on your homepage a ton of times, Google is going to consider you guys very reputable for this search, and they're going to be willing to put you higher up in the search results for that. So that's for content. I want to go over backlinks because that's not the content is one thing, but backlinks is what else helps you guys get ranking. And to go over that, I'm going to use this tool that I use called Ahrefs. It just lets me see the back end of a website and what's going on with it. And the first thing you see essentially is a UR, and the UR is a power flow from Google. The DR is a trust flow from Google. Both of these numbers are increased by something called a backlink. And all a backlink simply is an endorsement from another company. So basically a website that has a clickable link on it. And when somebody clicks on that link, it in turn passes trust and passes power over to your site. So obviously this is clickable. This is something I could go into and see how what's working for them and how it could work for you. But I'm going to go ahead and talk about these keywords because this is what I want you to get in front of. So when you build your site out, make sure you have things like this. So for example, roof repair at Lawrenceville, Georgia. This is telling us that 40 people look for this keyword on a monthly basis. This company is in a number 5 position for it, and they get four new leads from it per month, just from this one keyword, right? Roofing Lawrenceville, Georgia. This company's in the number 10 position and they still get 3 calls per month just from this one, but 90 people are looking for it on a monthly basis. Totally separate keyword. You see that? Lawrenceville Roofing, 90 people look for that per month. They're in the number 12 position and they still get 2 leads per month just from this one keyword. So these are the keywords that you want to have implemented on your website when you have it built, and you want to make sure that once it's implemented, it's going to allow more people to be able to find your website. Once they find your website, more people are going to call you, and then you're going to be able to land more deals, get more leads. All right, that's all that I have for you, Don. Thank you so much for taking the time out to watch this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any more questions or if you want to just give me some feedback, feel free to give me a call. I love to hear it. Other than that, I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Take care.